One very underrated section of our LinkedIn profiles that most of us just ignore is the projects section. Now, I'm a great fan of the projects section because it sits right below the education and above your volunteering section. This means it's quite a high profile piece of your profile, and it gives you some really good opportunities to showcase your expertise. Now, in the project section, you can add media. You can write a really good description of up to 2,000 characters. You can add in the photos of other people involved with the project as well, and you can give it a really good solid headline. So I'm really a fan of the projects area. Now, if you aren't a project manager, and most of us are not, then you can still use the project section to showcase some particular work that you have done that you're really proud of. Something that might help you just to get the edge on the competition when you go for that next role, or you are looking for some new work with a new client. I suggest that putting the projects in there is one of those things that most people don't do, and that if you do, it will give you an edge. So do have a look at adding projects to your LinkedIn profile. And if you want an example of how to do that, just pop over to mine and you can see a couple that I've got in there as an example of what you can do. So, projects on your LinkedIn profile. Give it some thought. Have a look at other people's profiles to see if they're using those too, and see what you can come up with for your own. I really think it'll make a difference.